How to fix Siri not talking or Siri not working on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Siri not talking or working on your iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have a really good internet connection. You can even turn on and turn off your airplane mode to disconnect and connect back to your internet. After you've done that, open up your settings and head over to Siri. Scroll down till you find Siri option and then go to Siri's settings. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to change few settings. So simply first head over to Talk to Siri. So tap on that, and after you're there, make sure that your Talk to Siri is turned on. You can choose either of those or even press side button for Siri. You can choose either of those, and after you've done that, head back, and now you will need to head over to your Siri responses. Now right there, you will need to choose prefer spoken responses over automatic and silent responses. And after you've done that, your settings are basically good to go. If you want to tweak your other settings for your liking, you can do that as well. Now, what you'll need to do is you will need to turn up your phone's volume. You can use the side button or control panel for that. After you've done that, the final thing that you'll need to do is restart your iPhone. So restart your iPhone, or you can simply turn off your iPhone. And after you've done that, after your phone restarts and loads up, your Siri should start talking. And that is basically how you fix the issue, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.